Alright, ladies and gents, sneakerheads around the world. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. And we back in this thing with another one, baby. And today, we on the south side of Chicago. One of the homegrown, legends, creatives, you know what I'm saying? Juju working on projects is, throwing a summer camp for the kiddies, man. Teaching them how to, enhance their inner creative juices, the pens, and really showing them how to, essentially become creatives. So we about to go in the South Shore Cultural Center. We gonna check this out, check out the event. Should be pretty dope. I know it's for the youth, but you know how we do. We gonna give y'all these looks. I'm excited about it. You already know. Let's get it. Tell them, about why you doing this.
I think it's a huge opportunity for the community, the kids of the community. We always think about instituting change in the community, but you can't just wish for change on a whim. You got to do your best to do your part to institute some change. And so this is me trying to do my part, and with the platform that I've worked so hard to earn.
Right.
I want to be able to give back to the kids in South Shore. We right back on the one. I started off painting in my basement on 76 and Yates. I'm just trying to show these kids this path that I've taken is not a fantasy. It's just a little bit unorthodox.
Yeah.
And through hard work and diligence and persistence and great design, everything that I've been able to accomplish with over a year is attainable. From creating designs on shoes, freelance, and that ultimately led to me having my own project with Nike and creating the creative shoe, so that artists have a shoe that they feel one with.
Absolutely. Hey man, super dope, man. We excited for the week. Definitely gonna do it.
Thanks for coming through. We got the art show on July 21st at Notre. The shoes will be officially for release. All proceeds go back to charities, scholarships for the creatives, and the charities for the single mothers. So we're doing it full spectrum. We're on art, we're giving it back, we're going back to the block, we're going up to West Hill, we're getting it all done.
You already know. So we leaving day one of the event, man. This joint gonna be going on all week. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about in Chicago, man. Just giving back. You know what I'm saying? Giving back to the communities, especially when you got a platform. Hold on, my bad. Especially when you got a platform like that. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna come up in here. Tomorrow I will be on deck for day 2 of the Juju working on projects camp for the shorties. We're gonna get a little bit of footage of that. And you already know how we do. We're gonna wrap it up. Let's get it.
Check. Blueprint 1, 2. Cool. Good morning. My name is Julian Gaines. I go by you working on projects. We at the South Shore Cultural Center. And day 2 of the working on projects plus Nike Creative Workshop series, week of awesomeness.
inspired this? Virgil Abloh, Hero.
So what inspired this? This is fire, man.
It started as like just heart, because it seems like everybody nowadays is just hurting something. So I just drew it like, and I tried to draw things that don't seem demonic because that's kind of a trend now, but it's supposed to be something that expresses. So. And then like every time I draw, I add something different based on something recent or something I'm thinking when I'm doing it. So I just like do something new. So you never see it the same way. Something different.
Previous tag, my tag. So I was like, yo, nah, this tag is too tiny. I can't see it from afar. The people at Starbucks don't know it's Nike. So I was like, I was at home. I was like, actually, it's funny. I was in Portland, and I had the idea. And my girl had this Nike bag she had bought. It had the really thick Nike tag in it. I was like, one, do what you want to do and ask forgiveness after. That's the truest statement ever. I was like, Shorty, can I get the tag off the bag? I cut this tag out. She's like, no. I'm pissed. I'm like, yo, it's for the project. She's like, no, I don't want you to destroy the bag. So I was mad because like I'm on a time crunch. I need this. Gotta get this in production. So I flew home, combed through my mom's closet, found this jacket with the closest Nike tag. I was like, definitely not asking her.
Yeah.
So I'm just about to
This mine. This mine.
slide this shit here. I don't take this. So I took it back to Nike. I was like, yo, I need this Nike tag. So that's why.
And you ain't tell her till later.
I told her after shoes drop. Told her like last week.
Day 2 in the books. Whole bunch of dopeness happening today, man. These kids are super creative, man. So that's it for me, man. We gonna go ahead and get to that next event. Let's get it, gang. So we just leaving the Jew working on projects pop-up event, man, with Notre. You know, they gonna have that going on tomorrow. You know, really dope showcase, kids, artwork dope, everything dope about that, man. You know, I'm blessed and privileged to, you know, been able to, you know, kind of witness that and see a little bit of that going on, man. But we gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I'll be right back with that recap. Let's get it, gang. So that's the end of the vlog, man. Just for the quick recap, really super dope week, dope event, just dope work that, you know, the homie Jew working on projects is doing for Chicago, the community. I think the shoes came out really dope. You saw the dope artwork for the kids. It's just a beautiful thing. Like I said, you know, when somebody's using their platform to come back, get back to their city, and, you know, make things, you know, happen like that for the kids, it's just an amazing thing. And the Thoughts program, you know, which we're giving scholarships to the kids, just really allowing them access to, like, you know, famous people and people in their respective fields of interest, may it be art, video editing, or anything. You know, the really cool app and, you know, scholarship program that was kind of given to the kids to be able to easily access, you know, people of influence like that to help push their dreams. I thought that was a really creative and dope thing that, you know, Drew working on projects and Ben Iger, Box Water, you know, and Nike, you know, kind of put together to really help support kids in that way. Man, just really dopeness. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. You know what I'm saying? Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, support the channel. I appreciate y'all, Flu Gang. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking, baby. Gang.